everyone, it's Heather's Plushies, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison video. I'm going to be comparing the Hamleys tiger and the Living Nature tiger. So, this one is the Hamleys, and this one is the Living Nature. So, right off the bat, you could see the Hamleys tiger has a plastic nose, and the Living Nature tiger has a material nose. So you could see they look very similar to each other, and that's why I'm comparing them. If you guys don't know which one you want to get, I hope this video can help you, but I definitely recommend both. So both of them have whiskers, so if you're looking for that, both of them have whiskers. And they both have whisker dots. Their colors are about the same. It actually looks like the Hamleys one might be a little bit darker in color, but anyways, as far as hair in the ears, actually the hair in the ears is blending in with the hair, you know, the mane. Same with this one. So this one's ears are more forward. This one's ears are more sideways, as you can see. Okay, enough of the faces. Let's get to, but they both have airbrushing. The Living Nature one has airbrushing above the nose, but the Hamleys one doesn't. But they both have airbrushing on their nose here, but the Living Nature one is more prominent. Okay, so let's review more. So both of them have white fading into the belly. I like the way the Living Nature ones fades more, as you could see. But you could see the difference between them. So here's the tush tags. And their paws. In terms of floppiness, this is the floppiness of the Hamleys one. Floppy, but not too floppy. And this is the floppiness of the Living Nature one. The Living Nature one is definitely more floppy. And the tails. Let's look at the tails next. Here are the tails. They're both very beautiful though. I love how the white fades in. So it's hard to tell you which one I recommend because I recommend both. So if you guys can only get one of them, I hope what I show in this video can help you. But I can't personally tell you which one I recommend over the other because it is too hard of a choice. They are very good. You can see the way the paws fade in. They fade differently. So yeah, it's hard to say. So which one is softer? definitely the Living Nature one. But that could be because I didn't get the Hamleys one brand new. So, can't say for sure. But anyways, I didn't take a look at their eyes. Let me see you guys' eyes. Their eyes are about the same. But you can see the difference in color on the camera. There's not a huge difference in color, but a little bit. And you could see the Living Nature tiger's nose is thicker. So yeah. You guys can decide for yourself which one you like better based off of my review. I hope this helped. And I love both of them. So if you can get your hands on both, then I recommend both. But I would say if you can only get one now, then get one of them now and the other one later on. And it's also based off of your preference. Do you like the plastic nose or the material nose? And it's also based on which one's easier to get your hands on. And if you are in the US like me, the Living Nature one is easier to get your hands on because they sell, even though both of them are from the UK, they have the Living Nature ones on our Target website for only $40, which is very good. They have the tiger, the lion, the cheetah, and other Living Nature plushies, but those are the wild cats that they have. And then the Hamleys ones are harder to come by, especially if you're in the US, because they're from the UK, and there's Hamleys in India. There is a Hamleys in, okay, I can't remember. But anyways, there's a Hamleys in a couple different countries, but not the US. And Living Nature is from the UK. But somehow, for us in the US, we're lucky and they carry Living Nature plushies on the Target website. Well, I checked the Target app, but I'm sure they still have them on the website. Anyways, I know this is a pretty long video, but I hope this helped you. And I'm going to be comparing a couple of other plushies. So stay tuned for this series. Hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.